What's up, guys? Taz here. So I want to break down Sofi in this video. I don't think I made a Sofi video yesterday, right? Either way, we're going to break down the charts, do an update, go over how the stock did, and we'll break down the indexes as well later in the video. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe. And of course, don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moo guys, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. Get your stocks. We'll talk more about the details later. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Markets closed about 5 minutes ago, so we just ended up closing, and Sofi ended up going up almost 3% on the day as the indexes all were green across the board. Let me see here what did here. We saw the Russell go up 1.4%. Mind you, if you all forgot, yesterday the Russell went down. It was red yesterday, and today we had a crazy bounce back day, recovering all of that loss. Let me actually pull it up and see. On the Russell, we recovered all that loss and some. Yesterday, we were at 1837, and right now we're at 1866, so we did see a pretty nice pop in the Russell, from the lows yesterday, which is good. We had the NASDAQ today go up about 0.8%. All right, not bad. Tech did pretty well as the S&P went up 0.8. We can see SPY went up around $4, and we had the Dow Jones up around 1%. So very nice day across the board, and the VIX went down 5%, guys. Now the VIX is at 1280, which is nuts. I mean, you guys have seen the chart. I've showed it before. Let me actually pull it up and show you again. This all-time low on the VIX, I think it's at 8, right? 8, 9. Right now we're at 12. I mean, we're right there, guys. We're pretty much right near, the lower end of the range here over the past, 40 years at this point. You guys can see the VIX hasn't gone much lower than 8 to 10 points, 11 points. Many times. Usually it bottoms out at the point, where we are now. That's not to say it can't go lower, but we are at the lower end of the range right now on the VIX. Let me actually make my face a little bit smaller so you guys can see. You guys can see right now, boom, lower end of the range, are we not? Look at this trend line right here. So what do you guys think? I mean, today was a very green day. VIX got hit again, a bunch of green stocks across the board. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And now let's just dive into the stocks here, guys, are the stock of the day, which is Sofi, ticker symbol SOFI, which went up 3%. Yeah, about 2.85 to be exact. You guys can see we hit a high of $9.18 at about 3 o'clock. So right when Power Hour started, we did see a bit of a sell-off from 9.18 to about 9.05. You can see we dumped about, about 1.3, 1.2 roughly percent. Right there for Sofi. But overall, all day today, guys, we've been uptrending, right? You guys can see in the morning, we saw a massive move. We opened up at about, 890, shot to about 908, almost 910. So that was a 20-cent run. Then we pulled back a bit. All right, we cooled off, and then we continued with higher highs, higher lows for the rest of the day. And you guys can see if I get this channel tool out, give me a second, we're still in this channel, right? Let me show you this. Come on, why isn't this working today? There we go. We're still trading in this channel, and we're actually more towards the bottom of the channel, right, guys? So let's see how tomorrow plays out. Do we end up holding $9? This is very critical, guys, this spot that we're at. You can see yesterday morning we actually opened up at around 905, then we dumped down and we downtrended all day. And the fact that we took out the highs from yesterday and now we're holding above the highs from yesterday, we closed above them, that's a pretty good sign for the bulls. Now let's see again if we hold $9 into tomorrow over the next couple of trading days. I know tomorrow is Friday, guys. But over the next couple of trading days, let's see if we hold that point. And on the 5-day chart, you guys can see we're now testing the highs from 2 trading days ago, being what, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday we peaked at about 915, 920. So, yeah, I mean, that's a big spot. We hit that point today and we failed again. So we need to break 920. Let me actually set my alert there right now on Sofi. Mark is that we're above $9.20. There we go. And if I pull up this 10-day chart, let me show you this. We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. That's great. It looks like we're about to, again, test 920, which we did earlier today. But we're probably going to test it again very soon here. 20-day chart, obviously still on an uptrend. You guys can see golden cross above the moving averages, all that good stuff. And on the 4-hour chart, if we look at this, we can see we're right above the 180 SMA. We're obviously above the 50 SMA on this time frame, but we're not yet above the highs from the last couple of days. And the head and shoulders that we've been talking about is still intact here on SoFi, guys. Left shoulder's right here. The head is here when we peaked at 1170, and this could be the right shoulder. Keyword is could. Nothing's guaranteed, of course, guys. Hopefully for the bulls it's not. But if we do break above 920, 950, $10, that's where the the neckline would break, and we'd have clear blue skies, in my opinion, from that point up towards 11, 1150, 1170, maybe even higher than that. We'll see. But overall today, guys, SoFi up on the day. It's making baby steps to get out of this, the spot of resistance that it's at right now. And we'll see if it succeeds. We'll see if it breaks 920, 950. Time will tell. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in, as always. And let me show you guys what went down with these indexes. But actually, first, before we do that, don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, guys. I'm telling you, this is the best promo right now. Just use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, open up your account, and fund it with your initial $100 deposit. You get 5 stocks right off the bat. And guys, if you want some more stocks and you want to deposit some more money, if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. And mind you, each of those are valued up to $2,000. You also get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So get on it, guys. Use that link down below. The clock is ticking. And with that being said, cheers. I appreciate you all for the support as always. Let's talk about these indexes, which, like I said in the intro, all the indexes ended up going up in a very big way. And the one thing I want to mention here on the Russell, guys, is the head and shoulders is still intact, right? We have the left shoulder right here, the head's right here, the right shoulder's right here. We have the neckline right at about, let's see, 1911, 1900 to about 1920. So we're still struggling at that point, but we are seeing a little bit of a relief rally, which makes sense considering if I pull this 5-day up, we were downtrending for a good couple of days, right? You guys can see from 1870 down to about 1837. Excuse me, guys. We downtrended, and we just had a nice little pop today, relief rally. We're not breaking out or anything, but pretty much a dead cat bounce, if you will, here today on the Russell, to be honest, guys. And on SPY, let me pull that up and show you this. SPY on the 4-hour chart now is looking really close. It's really close to breaking above this wedge. If we do start to take that out and we start breaking above the highs from early September being about 453, 455, hence why my alert's at 455. That's where we could start breaking out, and triple Q is pretty much right there as well, top of the wedge right now, big resistance. Excuse me, guys. Jeez Louise, what's going on today? And if we do break above that point, let's say 380, 385, this could be off to the races, in my opinion. So what do you guys think? Pretty interesting day today. A lot of green today. I mean, geez, ARM, the IPO stock, or the stock that just IPO'd, 24% in the green. Nikola, 32%. Foot Locker's bouncing back, even though it's still down massively. And a bunch of other, green stocks as well. What a day. What a day. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. It's free, guys. Do that. I appreciate you all as always. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well, at StockSurfS. Actually, no, it's at Stocks Talk Stocks now. I just changed it, right? Either way, go follow me on there, guys, on Twitter. I appreciate you all and your support as always. I'll catch you in the next video.